What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. Today I am at Dunedin Causeway. It's out here in Dunedin, Florida. You ever heard of it? If you never heard of it, it's really close to Clearwater. I got my hat that we got in Brazil. Super comfortable. But the reason why I'm making this video today is because I haven't posted any videos on YouTube in quite some time actually. And I had a company reach out to me on Instagram, and they're called Abrazo paddleboard company. They make like paddle boards, they make electric bikes and stuff like that. But I am gonna go ahead and do a review on this paddleboard, do like a time-lapse opening of the box, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go paddle out there. So if you all don't know, Honeymoon Island is like literally right there. It's the causeway. It's really busy. It's July 4th 2023, and they have a little area where you can rent kayaks and stuff. Parking is free here, so that's why I like it. Also no dogs, no alcohol, no glass over here, and you can park here at 5 o'clock in the morning all the way up until 11 p.m. But all throughout here on this bay right here, there's like beautiful water. It's super clear. That island right out there, that's Clandestine Park. It's like a state park. I'll put it all in the description below. But today is gonna be a quick video. I'm not gonna go paddling for very long on this July 4th. Just want to make this video before it gets too busy out here on the water. You'll see tons of people out here with their jet skis going 100 miles per hour. So literally 15 minutes from the parking spot, you get to this sandbar. And what's nice about this sandbar is nobody comes here with their boats because it's too shallow. They can only park around the edges, like way up there where those markers are. So yeah, it's super shallow here. barely just my paddle. All right, so as you can see, I made it to the sandbar. Super calm day. It's beautiful out here today. The paddleboard, it went well, very well. Gonna go ahead and do some drone stuff. This is the Air 2S. The Air 3S is gonna be coming out soon, so maybe I'll upgrade, who knows. But how I always do this is I always hand launch it. I'll hold the drone and pull these sticks down. And then get a little bit of juice. And then it is away.